Good afternoon guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm just going to do a quick share of some of the goodies that I've received along with my Vintage Ephemera Box for June from our Atelier, Rosie Atelier. I usually get the monthly ephemera box and I ordered some extras this time. Some extra bits and pieces, so I thought I'd just share with you what has come through. So this is just following on my happy mail from Laurie and Camille, and this is the next video. So this is my box for June, and on the front here, as you can see, it's got the stamps, so the printout of the stamps that are enclosed, which is always lovely. And I think I ordered, it was a little while ago, and I said to Rosie, just pop them in with pop the order together with my box, and I've almost forgotten what I ordered, so this is going to be quite exciting for me as well. So this is a beautiful paper. It's a beautiful, gorgeous weight paper, which I'm going to find very useful. Look how beautiful this is. Some of you may recognise it, but I don't. I don't know if it's a... Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely lovely. It feels nice as well, so I shall be using that. Shall add that to my stash. And these are some extra goodies. They are some extra goodies, I think. I'm ordering these. Oh my word. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful paper. How gorgeous is that? Imagine that on the front of a journal. So, just pop one of those in. And there's another one. So it's similar. Is this a similar? Oh my. Oh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Well, Rosie, thank you. That's ever so kind, lovely. So we've got these papers. I can't fold it back now. Oh dear. Well, I'm making a bit of a... So, let's have a look. Some little tabs, because I think I ordered... If you can see these guys. I don't think I ordered these. I think these are little prezzies, because I ordered some... Wow. Butterfly. Oh, beautiful. These tags and tickets. These are the botanical bits and pieces. Free admission. Love that. Absolutely love that. Gorgeous. Curiosities cabinet. Oh my word, I'm just so this stuff. These little bits of just journal pet. Oh, these are absolutely lovely. Well, I kind of, do you know what? I might have ordered these. Wow. Oh, are they? Oh, they've come along anyway. Now this, what's this? It's like a moth. Kind of a moth. I love this. Oh my word. Gone for a botanical theme. This looks almost William Morris, doesn't it? I don't think it is, but it looks like it could be. I've just picked up a gorgeous book that I would need to alter, which I think this would go really perfectly in. Let me, if I can find it. See if you agree. Can I find it? Probably not. I've probably popped it somewhere safe. No, it's like a... It looks almost leathery, but it's not. But it's these beautiful browns and golds. So this looks like, yeah, do you know that when moths kind of, now that looks like William Morris, doesn't it? What do you say? How gorgeous. How gorgeous. How gorgeous. Well, I think, so these are kind of stickers, whole sticker pages. Well, they're absolutely beautiful, apart from the grasshopper. I don't do bugs really, but apart from that, absolutely gorgeous. So kind of went for botanical. This may be what I ordered. Maybe what I ordered. Yes, oh, so there you go. And I've got some absolutely beautiful. Oh, anyway. So this month we went for, this is the June box. And I think I might have the link to the July box actually. I could pop that below, couldn't I? Could pop that below, the link to the box for July, because I think you've got till the 28th of June to order the July box. These look like tickets. Now they also, do you know what, these colours with the latest little kit that I put together for Love Never Fails. Well, they are little tickets. Can you see how, I don't know if you can see, it's very, very, very fair, quite transparent. It's like a little ticket washi. And then we have a larger washi. Very interesting washi. Really vintage, with a real vintage feel to it. A real vintage feel. So that's a thick washi, a thin washi, and a medium washi now we've got on the go. She's very, it's got almost, almost Michelangelo, isn't it? Kind of steampunky, can you see that? Love it, love it, love it, love it. Very useful. My wooden stamps, is this going to be, I think, which one would that be? Let's have a look. It's probably going to be that one, I reckon. Yeah. Probably going to be that one. Oh yes, it is. Yeah. So here we go. That's the wooden stamp. So you get the two with it, and then the set of rubber stamps. Always get a rubber stamp set. So that will be this little birdie thing. Strange looking thing, isn't it? Little birdie thing. Just here. Ta-da! Yep, like that. I love these little envelopes. They're so cute. I popped a couple in my day book. This is like, this looks like vintage architecture, doesn't it? Vintage architecture. Come over the little cards. Okie dokie. So vintage architectural cards. Very useful. And oh yes, yes, this is what I ordered too. So the butterfly, I did order these extra. Yes, because I don't know, every month when I do this, I keep saying I'm going to do a coffee journal. It's still on my radar, but it's just been, haven't had much time. Oh, that's nice. Love that. Love that. Love that. Yes, I ordered the coffee. Wow. The little coffee set. These are all little stickers. Oh, I'm going to have to do that soon. Beautiful, aren't they? beautiful selection. Beautiful selection. I love, 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 love. So that's a little coffee ephemera sticker set that I ordered. Oh, wow. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's the coffee set. I'll pop that to one side. I also ordered the... Did I order that? What was the other? What's that? Oh dear, hold on guys. This is really... So this is the... Yes, this is from... This is the set. This... It was quite steampunky, isn't it? Scientific-y type of... A little... Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that. That's time. The arrow. Oh, that's this on. Oh, I can't turn that over again now, can I? So I love the little almost architectural type thing, isn't it? Trim on the corner there, and that too. So there's that, and oh, I need to sit down. These are some florals and architecture again by the looks of it. And kind of mathematically scientific-y transfer stickery things. Love it. Love, 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 love. Be interesting to see what I'll be using those on, because I'm currently finishing the Alice in Wonderland little series, and then I'm going to be doing some altered books, I think. Some altered books I think are going to be on the horizon. Oh, and so here we go. Interesting little postcards. And are these cutouts or stickers? Wow. Interesting. July. July box. June. I like that. I like that a lot. With the pen nibs. And these lovely little pad. Right, so that's it guys. That's my unboxing for this month. My extras with the coffee and the botanical bits and pieces. Gives you an idea of the sort of goodies that she does. And I hope you've enjoyed this little share. And maybe seen some things that might inspire you to have a look at her shop. Things to use in your lovely journals. So I shall be using these. You will be seeing them at some point, I'm sure. Hope you recognise them. I love this. Absolutely love that. I'm going to have to use that now, I think. I'm going to have to use that now. Maybe in my scripture journal. These are such beautiful, beautiful little tags, aren't they? Those lovely colours. So, that's it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this. What I'm going to say is basically, see you again. If you haven't subscribed, if it's the first time you've come across one of my funny shares, just like if you like, and subscribe for more shares and how-tos and sort of tutorial flip-throughs as well. So take care. I hope you have a good week. I hope the weather cheers up here anyway, and see you again. Take care. Bye. Bye.